Opting science for your plus 2 boards? If you have just passed out of secondary school and going into senior secondary, you must be wondering how to choose your science subjects for the 11th standard. Here are the top few things to keep in mind when choosing your subjects in 11th science. Hi, this is Matrix Science Academy. We regularly post informative videos to guide you in your plus 2 educational needs. Browse through our channel and check out our other videos too. Now let's get back to the content. Before we proceed with the main content, here are some of the benefits the science stream holds for your career. Science is the most popular and favorite career option for the majority of students and their parents. The stream offers many lucrative career options such as engineering, medical, IT, and you can even opt for research roles and other fields. One of the best advantage it offers is to keep your options open. You might switch from science to commerce, arts or other streams. But it is not possible to do the other way around. Taking science stream equips you with excellent problem-solving abilities. But most importantly, it is fun, amazing and fascinating. Who should take science after 10th? If technology fascinates you and you have a flair for numbers, then taking science after 10th would be a wise option. You can opt for physics, chemistry, maths, PCM. If you want to make a mark for yourself in the medical field, you can opt for physics, chemistry, maths, and biology (PCMB). Now there are many students who don't like maths. Either they are afraid of maths or maths doesn't interest them. Don't worry, if you want to become a doctor, then knowing maths is not necessary. You can easily opt for just physics, chemistry, biology. While those may be the benefits, students often make mistakes while choosing their career after their 10th. Some of these are following others. Many confused students end up taking any stream because their friends have decided to take that stream. This is one of the most common mistakes which most of the students unconsciously make and can turn out to be the worst decision of their lives. It is necessary that you choose a stream which you are most passionate about rather than doing what most of the students are doing. Lack of knowledge. There are a plethora of career options after 10th. Compared to 10 to 20 years ago, the career scenario is completely different. There are many career options available, and with the help of proper guidance and career counseling, you can easily find a path that suits you best. If you wish to pursue medical after your 12th, apart from the core subjects, you may take up subjects such as psychology, biotechnology, mathematics, economics, home science, or even fine arts and physical education. For a non-medical career, computer science, economics, physical education, engineering, drawing, fine arts, and psychology are great supporting subject options as well. Although the medical branch has been so named because it opens a pathway to a career in medicine after class 12, don't be misled by the name thinking that is all there is to it. There are many alternate careers and routes available with this stream if you decide to go that way. From options in the biological and life sciences, such as zoology, botany, microbiology, biochemistry, to options in allied fields like nutrition, pharmacology, psychology, biotechnology. There are a lot of options for you to explore. Apart from these, those interested in medicine, yet not willing to go the standard MBBS route can even explore alternate branches of medicine like dentistry, Ayurveda, homeopathy, or allied medicine fields, physiotherapy, clinical research, audiology. Similarly, popular opinion dictates that engineering is the only option or the only suitable option for PCM students. Well, that is definitely not the case. Non-medical students can build their careers in a wide range of exciting fields such as architecture, aviation, statistics, defense, design, ethical hacking, merchant navy, computer applications, physics, chemistry, and the list goes on. We hope we could give you a glimpse into the vast options of career you can select for your bright future. At MSA, we are always striving to bring more and more students' careers to fruition. If you found this content interesting, feel free to like, share, and comment. Subscribe to our channel and follow us on all our social media platforms to know more. Thanks for watching.